Hello everyone, it's me Harsha. Today I'll quickly show one simple feature inside LemTask, which is the dashboard summary. This feature is helpful because it gives a quick overview of all the tasks in one place. And instead of opening every task one by one, the dashboard helps users understand what is pending, what is completed, and what needs attention. Okay, so first I'm on the LemTask website. I'll click on sign in or like get started. Depending on what is showing on the screen, I'll log into my account. Yeah. Once I'm logged in, I will land on the main dashboard. This is the first page where I can see an overview of the tasks. Here is I look at the summary cut or like a task section on the screen. This may show like details like total task, pending task, in progress task, completed task, or like overdue tasks. I click on like show completed, show not completed, to like task, dashboard, view or see like here itself view overdue. Go back. These are the audio tasks. Let me go to like select, like I can like complete anything can be shown here. Like I can go to the task which I like today I have to complete this one, then go to dashboard, check here itself, like where I see the tasks that are already finished. Like if there is an overdue task section, I will click on that as well. This is important because overdue tasks need attention first, and these are the upcoming tasks we can see here. There's no upcoming tasks like capture. These are the tasks that has to be done here and done today. There is nothing I did today. I didn't complete any, so it's showing here. So there's a quick summary, and this helps me to like decide what to work on first. For teams, this feature is also helpful because managers can quickly check the overall work status, and they can see whether work is moving properly or if someone tasks are stuck. The main benefit of the dashboard summary is quick visibility. It gives a clear picture of task progress without opening every task manually. So to first recap, first I logged into LemTask, then I opened the dashboard. After that, I checked the summary sections like total tasks, pending tasks, in progress tasks, completed tasks, and overdue tasks. That's a quick look at the dashboard summary feature in Salam Task. This feature helps users understand task progress, check pending work, notice overdue tasks, and plan the day more easily. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching.